Hey, you're probably wasting money on your aquarium setup, and it's holding you back from the lush, vibrant tank you've always wanted. But here's the secret. You don't need a huge budget to create a stunning aquascape. Let me show you how to grow a lush aquarium without breaking the bank. Aquascaping can feel overwhelming, especially when you see those high-end setups with expensive lights, fancy equipment, and rare plants. But the truth is, you can achieve a tank that looks just as impressive without spending a fortune. Hey, today I'm sharing my step-by-step approach to growing a lush, thriving aquarium on a budget. Stick around because these tips could completely change how you approach aquascaping. The biggest issue most aquarium keepers face is the misconception that more expensive equals better. But many people dive into the hobby thinking they need a high-end tech gear to succeed. Expensive lights, CO2 systems, and premium substrates are tempting, but they're not always necessary. The result? Empty wallets and frustrating when things don't go as planned. Here's the thing. The key to a lush aquarium isn't just about having the right tools, it's about understanding what your plants and fish actually need. So when you focus on the essentials and learn how to make smart choices, you'll save money and see better results. Let's start with the foundation of your aquascape, the substrate. Instead of going for those pricey aqua soils, consider more affordable alternatives. For instance, pool filter sand or even potting soil can work wonders when using correctly. Potting soil capped with gravel or sand provides nutrients for your plants at a fraction of the cost of branded substrates. Hey, pro tip, look for a soil labeled organic and avoid any with added fertilizers or chemicals. Pair it with root tabs to boost plant growth even further. Hey, lighting is another area where people overspend. High-end LED lights are great, but budget-friendly options like desk lamps or even a basic LED strips can do the job just as well. The key is understanding light intensity and spectrum. Your plants need a light spectrum between 6,000 Kelvin and 7,000 Kelvin to thrive. And you can even DIY your lighting setup. So look for energy-efficient LEDs and mount them above your tank. Adjustable desk lamps with the right bulbs or even a fantastic low-cost solution. Hey, choose plants that are hardy, fast-growing, and readily available. Here are some great options for budget aquascaping. Java Fern, and requires minimum care and grows well in low light. Anacharis, a fast-growing plant that helps control algae. Amazon frogbit adds a lush, floating aesthetic to your tank. Cryptocorn comes in various colors and thrives in low-tech setups. These plants are not only affordable, but also easy to propagate, which means you can expand your aquascape over time without spending more money. And you don't need an expensive CO2 injection system to grow healthy plants. Try a DIY CO2 setup using yeast, sugar, and a soda bottle. It's cheap, simple, and effective. If that's not your style, opt for plants that thrive in low-tech setups, like mosses and ferns. Hey, bonus tip, liquid carbon supplements are an affordable alternative to the CO2 injection and can help boost plant growth without the need for complicated equipment. Instead of investing in high-end filtration systems, focus on natural methods to maintain water quality. Add fast-growing plants to absorb excess nutrients and prevent algae. Hey, stock your tank with fish that contribute to the ecosystem, like shrimp and snails, which help clean up debris. Now, let's see how these steps come together. Imagine a tank with a vibrant carpet of Anacharis, framed by tall, swaying stems of Amazon frogbit. Java Fern anchors the hardscape while a school of neon tetras bring the scene to life. The substrate, organic potting soil capped with sand. The lighting, a $20 LED strip, and the total cost less than what most people spend on a single piece of equipment. This isn't just theory, it works. By focusing on affordable, effective methods, you're setting yourself up for success without unnecessary expenses. Growing a Lush aquarium on a budget is all about working smarter, not harder. You don't need to drain your wallet to create a beautiful, thriving aquascape. By choosing affordable substrates, DIY lighting, and easy care plants, even you can achieve stunning results. Remember, it's about the basics: light, nutrients, and balance. Hey, subscribe for more tips and watch this next video to take your aquascaping skills to the next level. And you guessed it, I will see you there.